Hello traders, my name is EURAUD and welcome to a new free video update. This will actually be third update for NASDAQ100. If you recall, I was looking for temporary corrective rally here up in wave B. This was posted back on June 22nd, and then we have seen and expected this drop for wave C. And in next update, then after this nice drop into wave C, we identified 5 waves pattern with an overlaps between waves 1 and waves 4. So it was actually an ending diagonal, which suggested that bullish resumption was in the cards after this bounce from the lows. So actually we were looking and expecting a resumption higher. So I'll give you an update on this one. It's actually the 4-hour chart here. As you can see, we are much higher trading at this stage. It appears to be a very nice uptrend with higher highs and higher swing lows. So it appears that we are trading here impulsively, especially after this week's sharp price move to the upside. So there's no question, no doubt. I definitely expect prices to reach new all-time highs, and then we see where we go from there. But before we may say that any bullish trend is over, I definitely would need to see 5 waves up within larger degree of wave 5. So to give you better perspective, I'm looking here at the wave 5, red wave 5 now in progress. Okay, so this wave 5 should be structured by 5 waves before we may say that top is in. Well, where this wave 5 could trade? Well, actually, I will now use the Elliott wave channel. That's the channel where you connect lows of wave 2, lows of wave 4, and then you put it at the top of wave 3. Actually, I would make like this. Okay, so wave 2 low, wave 4, and put it at the top of wave 3. So actually, this wave 5 could trigger then the upper trend line of this Elliott wave channel. So you can see there's room for a lot more gains here. Also, the S&P 500 is breaking out of a triangle, and in fact I posted this chart on Twitter as well. Actually notice that each correction once was accomplished produced 130 point move to new all-time highs on the S&P 500. So actually I would not be surprised if we see another sharp leg to the upside now again. Okay, so stocks clearly remains in bullish mode. There's no reason to fight the trend unless our wave counts are invalidated. So for NASDAQ, if we go back short-term view, let me go down to 30-minute chart. Okay, what I see here is potential wave 4 pullback, so expect more upside after this consolidation. Maybe wave 4 will make a new swing low here, then turn to the upside, but invalidation level, bigger one, would be 57.08. Okay, so as long as we are above this level, I would stay with this sentiment. Also, another market that I want to talk about is actually some euro crosses. We will take a look on euro pound. I think we have some very nice price action there. Firstly, to review the monthly chart, we have seen a nice bullish breakout back in middle of 2016, so actually a year back, but now we are consolidating after this spike. So I'm expecting at least 3 waves of decline, because you know that corrections are structured by minimum 3 waves. So this was our first leg down, wave A, and now we got the wave B pullback and expecting another drop down into wave C. Notice that wave B already show first signs of completion. We definitely reached some interesting resistance area here around 50%. Ideal would be 61.8%, but if you have 5 subwaves within blue wave C, then maybe that's already enough. Okay. Also, I would keep an eye on the weekly and daily close prices, because you know candlesticks can help you a lot when identifying reversal zones, or you want to confirm or make sure the tops or lows are in. Just keep an eye on strong candlestick patterns. Okay, this is really helpful in combination with the Elliott wave principle. So here, as you can see, as I said, we have a pre-wave bounce up to 50%, and on the 4-hour, notice that we can count 5 subwaves within this wave C. What I really like is this is the following. We have seen move to a new high out of a triangle. We were looking for members for this resistance area to hold 261.8. There was room also for this wave 5 distance measured or compared to wave 1, which was a little bit higher, but nonetheless we were in this resistance zone. We expected the sell-off, and so far this appears to be very strong. So today is Thursday. If we also stay bearish and hold these highs in tomorrow, then I think that market could form a nice bearish reversal candlesticks, and I would not be surprised to see even lower levels. Also keep an eye again on Elliott wave channel. So if you connect waves too low, wave 4, notice that we are now breaking below this trend line. So normally that's a sign that 5-wave move is finished. So in such case you would anticipate minimum 3 waves of decline. Okay, maybe if you draw your channel to extreme levels, outside levels of this wave 4, then this would be a low here, and we are now testing this trend line. So maybe if you're a little bit more patient, wait on this breakout, then watch for a pullback back to this trend line that could turn into a nice resistance right there, and then expect a sell-off. I will definitely keep a very close eye on this one. Also, we will take a look at EURAUD. We also posted a free chart on this one as well on TradingView if you're following us, or search us Elliott EW forecast on TradingView website. So you will be able to find a lot of our free updates there. What we were tracking is actually here temporary bounce in 7 legs, with more importantly with overlapping price action since June lows. We were looking this for wave B. It retraced for 61.8%, and notice that market turned nicely to the downside. We expected a resumption lower. Why? Because previously we had 5 waves down in wave A. So actually this was probably the most important evidences why top has been put in place here. And now we expect similar move like this one, 5 waves down. We would be looking for 5 waves down here as well. Okay, so I'm looking now for wave C to be in progress, and for the next few sessions I definitely will watch pullbacks and then maybe look for potential entries on the short side. Okay, because minimum expectations suggest, as you know, when correction is finished, that full recovery should be retraced completely. So definitely I'm expecting these lows to be retested, probably taken out, and then maybe even we can turn back to bullish mode. But for now it appears to be a very strong bearish momentum, and this is an extended aggressive decline. It fits nicely into wave 3. So watch out for more weakness after short-term bounce up in wave 4. Okay, thank you very much, traders, for your attention. If you like our videos, if you like our services, please follow us on Twitter, check us on, find us on Facebook. You will find all of the links below the in commentary of below YouTube video. Also, we have special offer 2 months for the price of 1 at this stage, which we believe it will be removed very soon. So if you're interested, make sure to grab this offer right now. Okay, thank you very much, and catch you with new updates on Twitter maybe later today or tomorrow. Bye.